Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here in beautiful sunny Miami. We are in the neighborhood of Wynwood, specifically at the Wynwood Walls. If you're not familiar, the Wynwood Walls are an outdoor large-scale murals that are all made by renowned artists all around the world, made by Tony Goldman in 2009. So this is the place to be if you are visiting Miami, and I'm gonna give you guys a deeper look into what's around here. Okay guys, so there are 3 galleries inside the walls, so I'm gonna take you guys through this one. I'm gonna talk a little quiet so I don't interrupt people, but let's go look at everything. All right, guys, I want you to look at this mural on the wall, and I want you to tell me how much you think this is. This is a canvas. Let me know how much you think this canvas is. $250,000. $250,000 for this canvas. Crazy. Who wants to get me it? So there are 2 beautiful chandeliers placed inside here, and originally they were installed in the Taj Mahal and the Atlantic City Casino in the 1900s. Both were $1 million. It's crazy. Look at how beautiful this is though. So I'm standing in front of a subway right here that was created by Simon Berger. He wanted to bring a 3-dimensional sculpture to the walls. He didn't want a typical mural. He wanted to show his meaning in a different way. This shows the journey of life. That's what this is called. He implores the glass as a double meaning to reflect upon yourself. And as you can see here, if you look at this specific window, the glass is in the shape of a man's face. All right, guys, we are now at the interactive murals. I have never seen something like this, so I'm really excited to show you. I have to get my phone and scan. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I really need to know how they did this, because this is what art is. I love this one. I want this one. I am a Mickey fanatic. Everything Disney. Okay guys, if you take a look at this canvas right here, this is created by Shepard Fairey. And if you guys don't know, he was the creator of the Obama Hope poster, which was one of the most iconic political pieces of art made to go viral. So this is his work, and this is going for $57,000. This was also created by the same artist that created the subway outside. You can tell by the glass. All right guys, so behind me, they actually have a really fun activity. They'll teach you how to spray paint. You can spray paint a wall. So we're not gonna do that today because there is a little bit of a line, but if you do come here, you can enjoy that experience. All right guys, that is the end of the tour of the Wynwood Walls. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, this is the art district in Miami that you want to be in. Again, my name is Desiree. You can find all my socials down below. Make sure to message me and let me know if you do come visit the walls and what your favorite mural was. Again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, thanks for watching.